Have you ever wondered why your muscles feel weaker after 60, even if you try to stay active? What if I told you there's one simple, natural, and affordable ingredient that science shows can actually rebuild muscle? Even if you can't exercise like you used to, seniors across the world are using it to feel stronger, steadier, and more independent again. And the best part? You probably already know this nutrient by name. Today, I'm going to reveal what it is, how it works, and the exact way to start using it so your body begins repairing muscle, even while you sleep. Hi, I'm Dr. James Porter. For over 30 years, I've worked with seniors who felt frustrated by weakness, stiffness, and loss of independence. Many thought muscle loss after 60 was just part of aging. But research shows that's not the whole story. There is hope. Your body still knows how to rebuild strength. You just have to give it the right tools. After the age of 50, your body begins a hidden process called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle. By your 60s and 70s, it becomes more noticeable. Climbing stairs feels harder, standing up from a chair takes more effort, and balance feels shakier. It's not laziness, and it's not just aging, it's biology. Your body is breaking down muscle faster than it's rebuilding it. But here's the good news. Your body never stops responding to nutrition. The ingredient I recommend most to my senior patients is collagen. You may have heard about it in beauty ads for skin, hair, and nails. But collagen is so much more. It is the structural protein that literally holds your body together. Think of it as the scaffolding of a building. Without scaffolding, walls collapse. Without collagen, your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints weaken. By the time you reach 60, your body produces far less collagen than it used to. In fact, research shows natural collagen production can drop by more than 50% after midlife. That's one big reason why recovery slows down, stiffness increases, and even normal protein from foods doesn't seem to work as well anymore. Now here's where it gets exciting. A study published in the journal Nutrients in 2019 gave collagen peptides to adults over 60 for 12 weeks. The results? They gained muscle mass, improved strength, and had less joint pain, even without heavy exercise programs. Another clinical trial in the British Journal of Nutrition found that collagen supplementation combined with light activity led to significant improvements in muscle strength and body composition in older men. This isn't hype, it's science. Collagen gives your body the raw materials it needs to rebuild. When you take collagen, your body breaks it down into amino acids. These amino acids are like fresh bricks and lumber for a construction crew. They go directly to the tissues that need repair: muscles, tendons, joints, and connective tissues. With collagen, your body can start patching, rebuilding, and strengthening again. And here's the secret most people miss. Collagen works even better when paired with vitamin C. Vitamin C acts like the spark plug that activates collagen-building enzymes in your body. Without it, the process slows. That's why I tell my patients to add lemon juice to their collagen drink, eat bell peppers with dinner, or enjoy berries for dessert. This small step supercharges results. I've seen remarkable results in my practice. Harold, 72, told me he felt steadier getting out of bed in the morning after just 5 weeks of collagen. Margaret, 68, said her back stiffness was noticeably reduced, allowing her to garden again. And Charles, a retired mail carrier, noticed his posture improving. He literally stood taller after 3 months of daily collagen plus vitamin C. These weren't overnight miracles, but they were steady, real improvements. That's what collagen gives you, the power to keep moving forward. Now you may be wondering, do I need to buy expensive supplements? Or are there foods that naturally give me collagen? In part 2, I'll reveal the most affordable, traditional collagen-rich foods that cultures have used for centuries to stay strong after 60. You'll be surprised. Some of them are probably already in your kitchen. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe for more senior nutrition and muscle health tips. And stay with me, because what comes next could save you money and strengthen your body at the same time. The good news is you don't always have to rely on powders or expensive supplements to get collagen. For generations, people around the world have been using simple, affordable foods that naturally supply this powerful protein. One of the best examples is bone broth. When bones are simmered slowly with joints and cartilage, they release collagen, gelatin, and minerals that your body can absorb almost instantly. I often tell my patients to think of bone broth as a warm hug for their muscles and joints. It's comforting, affordable, and deeply nourishing. Another overlooked source is chicken skin. For years, people were told to throw it away, but in moderation, it's actually rich in collagen and elastin, the very proteins that keep your body flexible and resilient. Sardines are another hidden gem. Because they are eaten whole, with bones and skin, they give you collagen along with calcium and omega-3 fatty acids, a triple benefit for seniors over 60. Even pork skin, when gently cooked in soups or stews, provides collagen that older bodies can use to keep tissues strong. The beauty of these foods is how practical and inexpensive they are. You don't need complicated diets or exotic powders. With small daily habits, adding bone broth to dinner, enjoying sardines twice a week, or sprinkling collagen peptides into your morning tea, you're supplying your body with the building blocks it craves. And remember, always pair collagen with a source of vitamin C. A squeeze of lemon in your broth, a handful of berries with your snack, or peppers with dinner can dramatically improve the way your body uses collagen. I want to be clear, collagen is not a miracle pill. You won't wake up tomorrow with the muscles of a 25-year-old. But if you give your body this ingredient consistently, most people notice subtle but meaningful changes within 3 to 6 weeks. Less stiffness in the morning, a steadier step when getting out of a chair, more energy when walking across the room. These are the quiet victories that add up to independence and confidence. So if you're over 60 and worried about muscle loss, please don't give up hope. Even if your exercise is limited, you are not powerless. By adding collagen into your daily routine, you're supporting your body's natural ability to heal, rebuild, and protect your strength. Your best years don't have to be behind you. With the right nutrition, your body can still respond, still repair, and still carry you forward. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe so you never miss my weekly tips on senior health and nutrition. And in the comments below, let me know. Have you ever tried collagen before, and what changes did you notice?